This video is designed to help you learn your first 5 notes.
Notes are written on 5 horizontal lines called a staff.
Basically, there are 2 parts to a note: the note head and the note stem. Some notes can be open with a stem. Some notes can be open without a stem. The main thing to focus on is the position of the note head. Stems can be positioned down or facing up. Notes are either placed on a line or in between 2 lines, called a space. They go up sequentially, alternating line and space as they move higher. Notes are named with letters of the alphabet, starting with A, then B, C, D, E, F, and finally G. As the notes go higher, the note letter names repeat themselves. Here are the first 5 notes for the clarinet, along with their fingerings.
Let's start by taking a look at the first 2 notes we need to learn. C, the lowest note, and G, the highest note.
Notice that C has all the fingers down in the left hand, and G has no fingers down at all. The concept with the clarinet fingerings is this: as you go higher on the staff, less fingers are involved. As you go lower on the staff, more fingers are put down. E is in the middle, and it has thumb and the first finger down. Since E is in the middle, it has less fingers down than C, but more fingers down than G. If you can memorize C, E, and G thoroughly, it'll make learning the other 2 notes easier. Let's take a look at F. F is 1 note lower than G and therefore has 1 finger added. Or you can think of it this way:
It's 1 note higher than E, so 1 finger is lifted off.
the same is true for D. It's 1 note higher than C, so 1 finger's lifted. Or it's 1 note lower than E, so 1 finger is added. You should study these notes thoroughly so that you can instantly show the fingering when shown just the note. Remember, notes won't necessarily be shown in order. It might look like this. Are you able to recall the note fingerings when just shown the notes in any order? Study hard so you can do this.